Hey everyone, in this hands-on lab we are going to create PubSub with Terraform. So the first thing we need to create is folder. Inside GCP folder, let's create another folder and name it PubSub. And inside PubSub we need case.json, main.tf and provider.tf. And let's paste it, copy paste. And let's delete all the resources inside main.tf, and here we can start. So let's go to Terraform registry page, and you can simply write search here PubSub, and you will see the cloud PubSub. So cloud PubSub will support several resources. You can see PubSub reservation, subscription, topic, schema, and we can start using cloud PubSub topic and then subscription. You can see the example usage here. Cloud PubSub topic, cloud PubSub topic scam, and cloud PubSub topic with different usages. You can see. So let's go to argument reference and see the name, and name is required. We can use other arguments, but they are optional. So let's go to Visual Studio Code and start creating the resource block and name it Google PubSub. PubSub, let's say topic first, and topic, let's name it TF, and inside that we need to provide the name, let's say topic TF. We can also add labels. Here you can see the example usage. You can see the example usage. We can use full bar as an example, and here let's use it. Here labels, we can use full, and here you can use bar. And what else we can use inside the topic? Go to arguments, we can use labels. Let's see the example here. You can also use message rotation duration. Let's use this default, and so that should be enough for Google PubSub topic. You can also create another resource block, the Google Cloud PubSub subscription. So you can see after Cloud PubSub topic, we can create another resource block, Google PubSub subscription, and basically name and topic is required arguments. You can also use act deadline seconds 20. You can also use labels here. This is for push. You can see we need the pull, so for that you can see the name, topic, labels is required. Let's here and create another resource block and name it Google PubSub subscription, and not schema, subscription, and name, let's say sub TF, and we need to provide name argument and sub TF. Another argument is topic, let's say Google PubSub topic dot topic TF dot topic TF dot name, and that should be sufficient to create PubSub subscription. But if you want, you can use other arguments like message rotation duration and rotation ag. For example, ag message, let's make it true, and ag deadline seconds, let's use these arguments as well. Otherwise it looks so simple. Here you can see we are using messaging rotation duration, retained ag messages, ag deadline seconds. So that should be enough to create PubSub topic and subscription with Terraform. Let's go to the directory cd PubSub, and let's run Terraform init, and let's go to IAM and provide the role for it. Here we can click edit principal, and we can add another role, and Here simply search pops up. Let's go here. Here you can see pops up and pops up admin, full access to topic, subscription and snapshots. Let's click on it and save it. And let's run Terraform fmt to format our code. Can run Terraform validate, and let's run Terraform plan, and finally we can run Terraform apply. Again, and we need to confirm it yes. Okay, now start creating cloud pops up topic tf is creating, and it will not take a lot of time. You can see it's creating now the subscription. You can see apply is complete. Let's go to cloud pops up here and see the result. We need to go to analytics, and here you can see it pops up. And here let's go topics and refresh the page. And here you can see topic TF that we have just created using Terraform. Encryption key is Google Manage It. You can see the retention that we created 1 day 3 minutes and 20 seconds. You can go to subscriptions, and here you can see the subscription TF. The delivery type is pull. You can see the topic name and the deadline 20 seconds. We specified retention 20 minutes and disabled. So this is how you can create a topic and subscription. If you want, you can go and create a snapshot, and you can also create schema. So I didn't show you how to create a schema. Basically, you can create a schema and you can give the name, let's say my schema, and you can choose the Aura or protocol buffer, doesn't matter. So you can have to specify the name here, let's say name and age, let's say, and you need to basically create schema. You can see there was an error when creating a schema. Let's wait, let's see what will happen. You can also go to Terraform registry page, and you can see here Google public schema, and here you can see the cloud schema. You can see the pops up schema example. You can use it, and you can see the argument reference, name, type, definition, and project is required. So this is how you can create a schema on Cloud Console as well as on Terraform script. So basically that should be enough for this video. You can go and play around with it, and do not forget to destroy your resources, and see you in the next video.